Improving the graphics settings in Fortnite can enhance your gaming experience by providing better visuals. Follow these steps to adjust your settings for optimal performance. Step 1. Launch Fortnite. Open the Fortnite game on your device. Wait for the game to load and reach the main menu. Step 2. Access settings. In the main menu, locate the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Click on the gear icon to access the settings. Step 3. Navigate to video settings. Once in the settings menu, find the video tab. This section contains all the graphics settings you can adjust. Step 4. Adjust graphics quality. In the video settings, look for the graphics quality section. You can choose between presets like low, medium, high, or epic. Select a higher setting for better visuals. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your graphics settings, make sure to click the Apply button to save your changes. Exit the settings menu and start a game to see the improvements. By following these steps, you can enhance your Fortnite graphics settings for a more visually appealing gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the game.